Want to give your website a fresh look in just a few clicks? Today, I'll show you how to quickly change your WordPress header and footer without any hassle. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. On the left-hand menu, head to Appearance and then click on Editor. This opens the Site Editor, where you can manage your entire site structure. Once inside, look for the Templates or Patterns section. Here, you'll find options for header and footer. Click on the one you want to edit. Instantly, you can modify the content, adjust the layout, change colors, or even swap out blocks using the block editor. It's that simple. If you're working with an older theme, you might need to navigate to Appearance greater than Customize instead. Some themes have built-in settings for headers and footers there. Alternatively, for more advanced changes, you can use a theme builder plugin like Elementor or even edit the code directly in the code editor. With these methods, updating your header or footer becomes fast, flexible, and fully under your control. No more digging through complex menus or guessing where to make changes. And that's it. A fresh header or footer in minutes, giving your website a polished, professional look without any stress.